Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we're gonna make a very special recipe, a Ferrero Rocher mousse. This is one of my favorite chocolates, and a mousse with that, it's gonna be amazing. So first let's make the chocolate base for the mousse. Into a bowl add some chopped chocolates. Here I've used dark chocolate. Add some warm cream and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, then start mixing it. Once the entire chocolate is melted and combined with the cream, keep it aside to cool it down. Now take some whipping cream and start whipping it. And for easy whipping, the cream, the bowl and the whisk has to be chilled. Now as this cream is already having sugar, I didn't add any extra sweetness, but if you want you can always add some powdered sugar. Now add the melted chocolate into the cream and combine it. Make sure to scrape down the sides and combine it really well. Now here for the recipe, I'm using a chocolate sponge cake. The recipe for this is already uploaded in my channel. You can check the description for the recipe link. Now I divided that into 2 layers. Now I'm cutting out this cake into small circles like this, but you can also cut out into squares or long rectangles. So here I've cut out 3 layers and I have taken 2 layers and again cut the middle portion from it. Now let's keep that aside, and here comes the star of the show. Let's take 2 Ferrero Rocher chocolates and just roughly chop them. And add this chopped Rocher chocolates into the chocolate mix and combine it really well. And you have to refrigerate this for some time till it becomes thick. Now let's layer the cake with the mousse. So here I've layered all the 3 pieces. And I've taken the mousse into a piping bag and let's fill it inside the cake like this. And let's place a Rocher chocolate on top. And I'm also applying some chocolate mousse on the sides of the cake. You don't have to cover it fully, just roughly apply some mousse. Now let's add some roasted and chopped nuts, preferably hazelnuts. And here it is, our Ferrero Rocher mousse cake is ready. The cake is really spongy with the chocolate mousse. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. So do try out this delicious recipe and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. And do hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And do consider subscribing by clicking the logo and watch more unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.